Chapter 2 Maps.
Maps. A map is a drawing of the Earth's curved surface on a flat piece of paper. It is basically a drawing of the whole or a part of the Earth on a flat surface. The cartographer makes maps for us. Imagine a globe pressed flat on a piece of paper and you will see a map. Maps help us to locate places easily. There are area maps that help us to locate a place in an area.
Similarly, city maps and road maps are useful for tourists who are new to a city.
Maps have certain advantages over globes. These are: maps are easy to study. All places can be seen at the same time, unlike on the globe where it is difficult to see all places at the same time. Maps are handy and they can be easily carried from one place to another. Small globes are difficult to study. Big globes are heavy and difficult to carry. Maps show areas in detail, while a globe cannot show detailed information. A book of maps is called an atlas. Plans. Plans show small areas in great detail. The main difference between a map and a plan is that while a map is a drawing of the whole or part of the Earth's surface, a plan only shows a small area such as a hospital, a market, or a school in detail. Look at the plan of the classroom of class 4. Sneha sits in the third desk of the first row. Mark the desk with S. Rohit sits in the fourth desk of the third row. Mark the desk with R. Types of maps. Physical map. It depicts the physical features such as mountains, seas, rivers, lakes, coastal areas, and plateaus. Political map. It depicts the international boundaries, countries, capital cities, states, and other important places. Thematic map. It depicts a certain theme or topic such as minerals found, crops grown, types of soil found, pattern of rainfall of a particular area. The language of a map. A map has 4 components which help us to understand it.
Directions,
Colors and symbols, scale, legend or key. These components form the language of a map. Let us study each component in detail. Directions. Directions are the most important component of a map. They help us in locating the places. The top of a map is marked north. It is indicated with an arrow marked. The bottom is marked south. East is to the right of the map. West is to the left of the map. These 4 directions are called the cardinal directions. There are some other directions too, which are known as intermediate directions. Northeast lies between the north and the east. Southeast lies between the south and the east. Southwest lies between the south and the west. Northwest lies between the north and the west. Colors and symbols. All maps follow a common color scheme to show different features. For example, water bodies are always shown in shades of blue. Mountains and highlands are shown in shades of brown and yellow. Snow-covered areas are shown in white. Plains and lowlands are shown in shades of green. Symbols and signs are used to represent capitals, cities, airports, railways, bridges, police stations, rivers, and many such places and things. Scale. What is the distance between your school and home? Is it the same as shown in the map of your area? No, it is not. The exact distance between 2 places cannot be represented on a small piece of paper. Therefore, the size and the distance between the places on a map are shown by a scale. Maps are drawn to scale. A scale is the ratio between distance shown on a map and the actual distance on the ground. The scale that has been taken is always mentioned on the map. For example, if a distance of 1 centimeter on a map represents 500 kilometers on land and The distance shown between city A and city B is 2 centimeters on the map. The actual distance between two places will be 1000 kilometers. Legend or key. Every map uses colors, symbols and signs.
To understand the meaning of these colors, symbols and signs, a key is created.
Also known as the legend, a key is usually shown in a box at the lower corner of a map.